Now I show you how to open the speed, open the limit of the speed from 25 to 40. Now let's see the maximum speed. See, maximum is 25 now, 25. I want to go faster, I cannot. So now I show you how to do it, how to improve the speed. First, you power off. Okay, make sure it's power off. Now we start. First step, must brake. Do not release the brake. Always hold down the brake and turn it on. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You hear 2 beeps. It means succeed. Now let's see the speed. Oh, see 25, 30. Now we did it. It's good. If you want to return to the normal speed, do again. If you want to go to the normal speed, 25, power off first. Do again. Let's see again. Okay, and turn it on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.